So hi friends, in previous session we are already discussing how to construct third order B trees, right? So in this session we are mainly concentrating on how to construct fourth order B trees. Here M value is nothing but 4. So here I am constructing fourth order B tree for these following elements. So first of all we are calculating these values, maximum children's, M is nothing but 4. 4 children's are maximum for each and every node. Keys, M minus 1 keys means 3 keys are required for each and every node, maximum keys, not exact keys, right? Minimum chains, seal of M by 2, 4 by 2, 4 by 2 which is equivalent to 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. Fine. So these are the maximum children's keys, minimum children's and keys, right? So first of all here I am constructing B tree for this. At each and every step we are checking all the properties are satisfied by the tree or not, right? So here first of all we are inserting node 1. So each and every node contains 3 key values. After exceeding 3 key values, then only middle element is moved to the previous level, that is root level, right? So in step 1 we are inserting 1. So this node contains only 1 key value. So here in this node we are inserting 3 key values. Why? Because this is fourth order B tree. So that's why we are inserting up to 3 key values. Once we can perform exceed operation in this node, that middle node becomes a root node for remaining nodes, right? So 1, step 2 we are inserting 7. So 1, 7. B tree property is satisfied. Why? Because this contains 2 nodes, 2 key values. For fourth order B tree, 3 key values are necessary. Step 3, 1, 6, 7. So each and every node contains sorted key values only, 1, 6, 7. So what is the next inserted key value in step 4? 1, 2, 6, 7. 1, 2, 6, 7. But this is fourth order B tree which contains M minus 1, that is 3 key values only. So that's why middle node becomes middle node becomes root node for these children, right? So here either you have to take 2 or 6 as a middle. So once you can take 2, this tree can be considered as left bias tree. Once you can take middle element as a 6, this can be considered as a right bias tree. Right? You have to choose any one of the middle value. Once we can choose left bias, at each and every step we can take left values only. Right? So here I am taking left bias tree. So what is the middle value? 2. So 2 moves to the previous level. What are the children nodes for 2? 1, 6, 7. 1, 6, 7. Right? So what is the next inserted key value? So this tree satisfies the B tree properties, right? What is the next thing? Inserted one, 11. And compared to 2, 11 is greater value. So that's why we are inserting right of 2. Now tree becomes 2, 1, 6, 7, 11. This tree also satisfies the B tree property. Why? Because this is fourth order B tree which contains 3 keys, maximum keys. Then we are inserting one more node in step 6. What is the next one? 4. So when compared to 2, 4 is greater value. So that's why we are inserting at right of 2. Now tree becomes like this: 2, 1, 4, 6, 7, 11. Now we are checking the B tree properties. So this is fourth order B tree which contains only 3 maximum keys, but this node contains 4 key values. So that's why middle value becomes root node for these children, right? So here 2, so here I am taking left bias tree, so that's why I am considering 6, 2, 6. So for 2, 1 is child. For 6, what are the childs? 4, 7, 11. 4, 7, 11. Right? So what is the next inserted key value? What is the next inserted key value? So this is 2 na. We are already inserting 4 na. 4, fine. What is the next inserted key value? 8. In step 7, we are inserting 8. So when compared to 6, 8 is greater value. So that's why we are inserting right of 6. Now tree becomes like this: 2, 6, 1, 4, 7, 8, 11. So now this is a fourth order B tree. So that's why maximum keys are 3. Right? So this is also a B tree, fourth order B tree. Right? What is the next inserted key value? So 8 is inserted. Next inserted key value is 5 in step 8. What is the next inserted key value? 5. So 5 when compared to 6, this is less value. So that's why we can move to the left position. When compared to 2, this is greater value. So that's why we can move right position. So this node is applicable for both 2 as well as 6. 6 contains left values are less values. 2 contains right values are always greater than. So this is also satisfies the BST property, this tree, right? So here we are inserting 5, 2, 6. So we are inserting 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 11. This tree also satisfies all the properties of fourth order B tree. Fine. Then we are inserting 15. So 15. Step 9, 15. When compared to 6, 15 is greater value. So that's why we are inserting right of 6. 2, 6. 1, 4, 5, 7, 8, 11, 15. 7, 8, 11, 15. Fine. So this is not a fourth order B tree. Why? Because this node contains 4 key values, but maximum keys are 3 keys for fourth order B tree. Right? So here now middle element becomes root node for these children. Right? So here I am taking left bias. So that's why 8 is the root node for these 2 children. Right? So this is moved to next. Now tree becomes 2, 6, 8, 1, 4, 5, 7. So for 8 children are 7, 11, 15. 11, 15. Fine. Then what is the next inserted key value? What is the next inserted key value? Step 10. 3. So when compared to 2, this is greater value. So that's why we are inserting right of 2. Now tree becomes like this: 2, 6, 8. Remember one thing. So insertions are always made at leaf nodes only, not root node. 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 11, 15. Now tree becomes like this. So this is also fourth order B tree. Some nodes maintains maximum keys, 3 keys. What is the next inserted key value? Step 11. We are inserting 12. So when compared to 8, 12 is greater value. So that's why we are inserting right of 8. Now tree becomes like this: 2, 6, 8, 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 11, 12, 15. Right? So now check whether the tree satisfies the B tree properties or not. So all the properties are satisfied by the fourth order B tree. Right? So this is about construction of fourth order B tree. Right? So if you have any doubts regarding to this problem, please post your doubts in comment section. Thank you.